Okay, so I just wanted to take a minute and just to tell everybody what Alison's program has done for me. I went to college and I got a biology degree and I did basic research for 10 years. And then when I had babies, I decided that I wanted to stay home. But being the career woman that I am, I decided that I needed something else. And through all the years, I've always been looking for something for me to do in addition to staying home, because I wanted to feel like I was contributing. I know that I was contributing, but financially, I wanted to be able to contribute. And I had looked at all of the MLMs, and those are fine, and I applaud those who do those, but I could never find the one that was right for me. And then I came across Alison's program, and I watched the webinar, and I looked at my husband and I made him watch it too, and I said, I think this is it. I think this is what I've been looking for. And so I took that leap, and it has been a ride ever since. So as you can see behind me, I'm actually, hopefully it's not too loud, you can hear, but I'm at a vendor's fair, and I've got my business. And within the past month and a half, I've been online for maybe about a month. I have sold just a little over $2,500 online, and I'm a biology major, and I haven't taken any business classes ever in my entire life. And so Alison, her course, she basically teaches you how to start a business from the ground up, and an online business, and it's just been amazing for me. She gives you inside secrets. She gives you a list of her manufacturers, her little black book. She gives you just all of this information that you need to succeed, and I really feel like she wants us to succeed. And every Friday she does Facebook Lives, and we're able to ask her questions, and it's just been such an amazing thing for me. And I'm so grateful that I was able to find this. And so if this is something that you've been looking for, if you've been looking to start your own business, I would seriously look into watching the webinars and go for it, because you will not regret it. So I haven't regretted it at all.